how to turn off Pinterest notifications. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you getting too many notifications from Pinterest? Then in this video, I'll show you how to turn it off in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Open up a Pinterest app. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Go to your profile picture in the top left. You can see notifications, tap on it. So here you can see different types of notifications like comments, reactions, saves, views, impressions. You can go to each of these options and change the notification types for everything. So you can go to comments, and then if you don't want it, then you can just toggle it off. Similarly, you can do that for reactions, saves, and more. So that's it. It's as simple as that to turn off the notifications in your Pinterest app. Changes will be saved, and then you can turn on the notifications back on anytime. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching.